Hello everyone. So we are going to solve the numericals based on the Miller formula and Lenz formula. The first question is: a 6 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length 30 cm. Means 6 cm का कोई tall object given है. तो height of object is 6 cm. And the mirror taken is concave. This is concave mirror. And I have already told you about concave mirror. What will be its focal length? Will it be positive or negative? It will be negative. And its magnitude is given 30 centimeters. This is 30 centimeters. The distance of the object from the mirror is 45 centimeters. So U is 45 centimeters. Will it be negative or positive? It will be always negative. We have to find the position, means U and H I. These are the things we have to find. So in this question, we have to use the Miller formula, and this is the Miller formula. This is Miller formula. 1 by V plus 1 by Q equal to 1 upon F. 1 by V, I don't know about the V, but the value of U has been given in the question, and this is 45. Now 1 by F, this is minus 30. आपका सोल्व यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है, मैं इसको इस साइड पे लेके आऊंगा, क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव. एनी प्रॉब्लम? फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे. एलसीएम ले लो, 90 आएगा. V की वैल्यू आ गई माइनस 90 सेंटीमीटर. V की वैल्यू आ गई आपकी माइनस 90 सेंटीमीटर. एनी प्रॉब्लम? माइनस 90 सेंटीमीटर का मतलब ये हुआ कि आपका जो इमेज बना हुआ है वो सेम साइड ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, मतलब जिस साइड में ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हुआ था उसी साइड में आपका, अगर ये आपका कॉन्केव है तो ये F है, अगर ये U है तो V भी आपका U किसकी साइड में, तीनों की साइड में सेम साइड में, इसलिए यहाँ पे आंसर कितना है? माइनस में है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में मुझे फाइंड करना वो कितना है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में फाइंड करना वो है, ऑब्जेक्ट, ये फाइंड करना है एच आई, मतलब हाइट ऑफ द इमेज. सो हमने V निकाला, V को रख देते हैं कितना? माइनस. Now we have to find the height of the image. So by the magnification formula we know that minus V upon U equal to HI upon HO. This is the magnification in the case of mirror. Minus, what is the value of V? This is minus 90. And what is the value of U? This is minus 45. I don't know the height of image. This is the things which we have to find out. Now HO means height of object, and it is given 6 centimeters. Since we know that the height is placed perpendicular to the principal axis in positive direction, that's why we have taken it as positive. Any problem? So minus to minus, this value will be 2 means magnification will be minus 2. 6. So HI will be minus 12 centimeter. So HI will be minus 12 centimeter. What does this minus sign indicate in this answer? This indicates that the image form is inverted, means in the negative y direction. So this is in negative y direction, and this negative sign also indicates, this negative sign in magnification indicates that the image form is real and inverted. Okay, so these are the questions we have to find. The next question is, an object 4 centimeter in height. An object 4 centimeter in height. Object 4 centimeter in height is placed at 15 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. 15 centimeter from the pole and focal length of 10 centimeter. This mirror is concave mirror, and we know that in case of concave mirror, the focal length is negative. So that's why I have kept it here negative sign. Now, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to obtain a sharp image of the object? At what distance? So in this question, we are being asked V. Calculate the height of image. The height of image. This is same as the previous question. Using mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 upon F. I don't know the value of V, so put here the value of U, and this is minus 15, and 1 upon F, and F is 10. So 1 upon V equal to 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 10, and this is minus 1 upon 30. So the value of V will be 30 centimeters. So we have found the value of V, and that is equal to minus 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Now the next question is HI. We have to find the height of the image. Magnification is equal to minus V upon U, and that is equal to minus height of image upon height of object. I have found out the value of V, and that is equal to minus 50 centimeter, and the value of U equal to minus 50 centimeter. I don't know the height of image, but I do know the height of object, and that is 4 centimeter. In the previous question, I have told you why this is positive value. Same question, magnification is 2 minus 2. This minus sign in magnification indicates that the image form is real and inverted. Okay. Now the height of image is equal to minus 8 centimeter. I have told you the significance of minus in the height of image. So this is equal to minus 8 centimeter. These are the questions based on the refractive index and mirror formula. In next chapter or in next session, we'll start the numerical based on lens formula and magnification in lens. Okay, thank you.